questions. If you know the answer, you will stay in the game. But if you don't know the answer, you will be automatically be out until we have the last one playing, and that will be our winner. Okay. Your name po?
Leia.
Leia.
Yeah.
Leia.
Alu. Ate Christy.
Ate Christy. Here we go. Are you ladies ready? The question. First question. What is Mommy Marichu's full name? You have 5 seconds to answer.
Marichu. Marichu.
Marichuchu. Ano ma? Again,
Ben, Mari.
I mentioned that earlier when I introduced her. Again, you have 2 more seconds remaining.
Ben, Marichu. Mari. Mercado.
Yeah, tumama. Hello, Bunker. Tama. Correct. Okay, Mommy Marichu is celebrating her 70th birthday today. What year was she born? 5 seconds. 4. What year? Hula. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your time is up. Thank you. Yeah, what's your name again po? Bea. Palakpakan natin si Bea. Thank you for joining. Okay, same question. If Mommy Marichu is celebrating her 70th birthday, what year was she born and why? Sorry. No way. What year was she? 1954 is indeed correct. You stay in the game, Angela. Your question. Ready, Angela? How many children does Mommy Marichu have? You have 5 seconds. Who are they? I'm just joking. 3 is correct. Ate Malu. What was the year that Mommy Marichu came to Saipan for the first time? Anong year? Di ba magkasama kayo sa plane? Ay, hindi. Anong year? Anong year? The year that she moved to Saipan. Anong year?
1979.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
I'm sorry, 1979 is correct! Mommy Marichu was born... Babay agad. Tita Christy, Mommy Marichu was born March 9, 1954. In which province in the Philippines?
In Tacloban City.
Yes! Correct! Pareho kami. I was born in Tacloban, thank you. Okay, we have 5 more. Mommy Marichu has 3 kids. Name them from youngest to the eldest. You have 5 seconds.
Next one is Denver.
Alex, Mike, and
Denver.
Daimler, according to their age, from youngest to the eldest. The youngest is who? Who's the youngest?
Alex.
Second.
Mike.
And the eldest?
Denver.
Is that correct, Mommy Marichu? Correct! You stay in the game! Your question. How many grandchildren does she have?
6.
Did you know that? That is correct! Name the 6 grandchildren. Okay. Mommy Marichu likes to go to church. Can you name what church does she go to? Here in Saipan? We have a total of, I guess, 10 churches here in Saipan. But which one of them? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is your answer? You said something? Did you say something? What church? Grace Christian.
Ate Marichu? That's too much.
So she goes to two churches. It's either San Antonio Church or Grace Christian. Correct. Okay, Auntie Malu, your question. Where in Saipan, Auntie Malu and her family reside? Where are they staying? Cobbler. The village is Cobbler. The sub-village. It's Cobbler is tama ba? Cobbler? Cobbler in Ascon in Cobbler. Correct, Cobbler. All right. Ate, your question is name one of her grandchildren. Just one. Dina? Dina, di mo na Dina alam. Kala ko Dina. Sabi na Dina. Dina?
Wala na yung memory. 68 na eh.
Dina is... Correct. No, joke. Wrong. Thank you, Ate Christy. Clap your hands, Ate Christy. We have 4 more. What kind of dessert that Mami Marichu cook for this celebration tonight? What are the ingredients? Correct. What is the name of Mami Marichu's husband? The big handsome husband. Yes, Jun or Toribio Mercado. Correct. If Mami Marichu celebrated her 70th birthday, how old is the husband? 68. Pinabata. Kuya Jun, 68 na according to Angela, because I asked her, if Mami Marichu is 70 yet, how old is the husband? According to Angela, you are only 68. You are 2 years younger than Mami Marichu. Is that correct? 25. 25. Sorry, that is wrong. 25 years old. So, but that's 68, right? That,
69.
oh, he's 69. Tomorrow is 70. Well, you just celebrated tonight. Thank you. 69. Thank you, Angela. We have 3 more. Ate Malu.
Your question.
If she was here the first time in Saipan, 1979, how many years now Mami Marichu has been staying here in Saipan? From 1979. Oh, accountant yan. Magaling yan. Okay, same question for all of you. The first one to answer is Mami Marichu, how long has she been staying here in Saipan? If she came here to Saipan for the first time, 1979, how long has she been here? 44! Kayo po. 44 anyhow. Ano po? 43? 44, 43, 45. Who will be correct? One of you is correct. 2 of you are not. Who would that be? Sorry, but you're not correct. Did you say 33? Yes, you are wrong. Thank you. What's your name, God? Clap your hand for Ate Maya. Thank you. We have 2 of you remain. Let's see who is correct. Did you say 44? You said 44 and you said one of you is correct. And the winner is... Haba kamay parang issue. And the winner is the one who said Mami Marichu came to Saipan the first time on the year 1979. So that means she's been in Saipan for 45 years! Congratulations to Ate Malu Mendoza! 44 years! Thank you and congratulations! Akalain mo, ikaw pa'y nanalo! Sabi mo, ayan, Ate Malu congratulations sa Mami Marichels been inside there for 45 years now.